Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can switch to a personal account on Instagram. So from my account here, you can see if I go to the section here, you can see it's a professional account, a business account, right? Now, if I want to switch to a personal account, I just have to scroll up and then click on this three bar up here. Now on this three bar, you'll see I'm going to go to settings and activity. Now on settings and activity, you want to go to business tools and controls. On business tool and controls, you want to scroll down and you want to find switch account type on that section here. So just click on switch account type. Now you can switch to either a personal account or a creator account. We want to switch to a personal account, right? So let's just click on switch to personal account. They'll give you this warning like this: switch to personal account. When you switch to a personal account, you will lose access to in-app insights and insights from all of your content. If you're okay with that, just click on this red button here, switch to personal account, and then our account will be on progress to be turned into a normal personal account. There you go, switch to personal account, and we're done. Our account is now a personal account. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing.